Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at Toyota Camry Hybrid SE upgrade package. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in midnight black, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features include your aggressive sporty front end, turn signals on the side mirrors, and a proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. Now why don't we hop inside this Camry and see what else it has to offer.
Helping us inside is our key fob here with our lock and unlock button, as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. Like I mentioned, this Camry does have a proximity smart key system, so if you have your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock for you. Take a look on the door. On the bottom you have some nice storage space, and above it you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the door you will also find your trunk release button here as well, and we can pull this down. You got a nice little storage compartment. Equipped with all-weather mats in black, mixed fabric and leather seating, and on the bottom you will find your power seating adjustment buttons. It is a push to start. Just put your foot on the brake and press that power button right behind the wheel there. First things first is the left side of the steering wheel. This cluster will allow you to navigate through your multi-information display located right in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right you have your Toyota Safety Sense with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert, as well as your cruise control speed settings right to the right of that. Before we move on to our screen, behind the wheel we do have paddle shifters. On our entertainment screen right now, we're on home. It's got this split screen going with any device that might be connected, any audio that's playing, and right here it does show your battery consumption and where that's being powered to. If we press audio and go to sources, you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and Bluetooth device. Let's look at that backup camera, giving you those guys guidelines. Underneath is your climate control system. It is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides. Underneath, you have your key wireless charger. If we press that on button, that green light will come on. The green light will come on. You can put your phone right there and that'll charge right up without any cables. 12-volt outlet, and here is your USB and auxiliary. Next to the shifter you have your 2 cup holders. Behind the shifter you have your different drive modes, and there you will find your driver and passenger heated seats. Center console, lots of room, nice and simple. And lastly is the glove box. Let's open her up. Plenty of space in there. And now it's time to close.
Before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage space just like the driver's side. Continuing with the all-weather mats in black, mixed fabric and leather seating. Behind the passenger and driver's seat you do have these little pockets for some extra storage. And if we pull this down, you do have 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest.
All we got to do is hold this third button on the key fob and that trunk will open for us, nice and easy. Plenty of cargo space in this Camry. Of course it tucks in on the left and right, providing some extra bit of room. And underneath here, if we lift this, we can hook that on right there. And underneath you have your tools and your spare tire in case that ever goes out on you. Now we can drop this. To close up, all we got to do is just give it a gentle push.
Taking a last look at our Toyota Camry Hybrid SE upgrade package. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, and Bluetooth compatibility. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.